I'm all okay.
So I'm here at Moto once again. It's race day. Pretty excited. Trying to get better time than last time. And very tempted by these mangoes. Looking forward to the race.
The only enduro today. Okay, Madheshwara. Let's go, guys. Yeah, good luck, good luck. Off-road mode.
So off we go with practice. We all got 30 minutes to practice each. So just figuring out the lines, where to go fast, where to brake, where to save time, where to take it easy. Things like this. It's not just going ripping straight through. It's also a little strategy. The track is much better than last time. For me personally, because little somewhat traction and feels good the track this time.
Adventure!
As I take this jump, the handlebar, got bent. Not bent, but tilted from where it's mounted, right? So heart is still beating, engine is still thumping, just trying to get the handlebar in position and finish the race, right? You gotta go on, you gotta move on. There's no excuses. But I gotta be careful about this problem that my bike is having. But
baby, Basanthi.
The practice session is about to end. Red flag is being waved and I just go into the pits and there was a sudden change of terrain
okay.
here. It was very loose here, so I took the crash
Okay.
with grace thanks to all the protective gear. Nothing much happened. I get back on the bike and go.
Just a slide. All okay.
Was there more obstacle? Asking because my leg, I do not remove my shoe, after going rolling.
Ready to rest. Outlap, timed lap, exit. Outlap, guys. Outlap. Not timed, just getting the apex. Mangoes. There's a dip here. Committing all this to memory, guys. Right? So, outlap, nothing serious. Trying to figure out apex. Of adjustments there here, so it's fine. Just that line. Next time here. Use the banks, right? Avoid the mango. Right, this is fine. No air time here. Air time might slow me down there. Come to low. No banks. Little tricky. No air time here. Slide. Oh, race is gonna start here. Actual race. Jumping into come on, Basanthi, go! Third. Need to come to go, baby. Hey, come on, Basanthi. Baby. Obey. Come to first. There's a lot of adjustments here. Easy. Use the banks here. Right. Get it tight. Avoid the mango. Take the inner circle, keep it slow. be on power. Right, change to second gear. Let's go, full confidence. Done, right? Done, right? Done. Done. So, facing this issue, doing crazy jumps. It has become of Avenger, guys. Huh? Avenger ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಗಾಡಿ. It has become Avenger, bro. Jump. ಜಂಪ್ಗೆ ಹಂಗಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. Become Avenger, bro. Oh God. Done with the race. Got good times. Thank you.
So the win was unexpected, guys. I came position 3. I was riding with bigger bikes, better bikers, but I tried to do my best and somehow grab the cup, going back home with a wide smile on my face. And these mangoes are really tempting, and just going to pluck one and go make mango rice at home, right? You know, stolen mangoes are always more tastier. See you in another vlog, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and support.